Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Milwaukee versus Milwaukee impact drivers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Milwaukee 295320 18-volt cordless 1/4 inch hex impact driver, tool only. This model packs a punch with up to 2,000 inlbs of torque and an impressive top speed of 3,900 RPM. It's lightweight at just 2.2 pounds and features a compact design at only 4.47 inches long, making it a go-to option for users who need precision in tight spaces. The Tri-LED lighting system ensures excellent visibility, while its single-handed bit insertion adds convenience on the job site. In terms of build quality, the 295320 is robust, with a rugged design that feels durable in hand. The lightweight frame reduces fatigue during prolonged use, and the metal belt clip adds portability. However, it's worth noting that this product doesn't come with batteries. Which can be a downside if you don't already own compatible Milwaukee batteries. This impact driver is ideal for professionals who need a reliable, lightweight tool for medium-duty tasks. While it offers decent value, the lack of included accessories or batteries limits its out-of-the-box usability. Pros include its high torque, excellent lighting, and compact design. Cons: no batteries included, and a slightly higher price point for a tool-only option. At number 2, we have the Milwaukee 345320 12-volt fuel 1/4 inch cordless hex impact driver, bare tool. This compact yet powerful tool delivers 1,500 inlbs of torque and a maximum speed of 3,600 RPM. Its lightweight design at just 1.63 pounds makes it one of the most portable options on the market. Like other Milwaukee models, it features a Tri-LED lighting system for excellent visibility and a 4-mode drive control with a dedicated self-tapping screw mode. The build quality is top-notch, with a durable and ergonomic design that's perfect for all-day use. However, as a bare tool, it doesn't include batteries, which may be a drawback for first-time buyers. On the plus side, its compact size allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, making it ideal for small-scale projects and precision work. This impact driver is a fantastic choice for users who need a lightweight, portable tool for everyday tasks. The pros include its compact design, excellent lighting, and reliable performance. The cons are the lack of included batteries and its lower torque compared to 18V models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.